Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a server on Minecraft. So for that, it's a pretty simple method. Go to the website and download. Oh, sorry, you don't have to download. Just go to the website Aternos and you have to log in on the website and press simply create server. Okay, so you can see. Now okay, welcome to the server of Paribhut. Then again press create. Waiting, your server is ready. You can see our server is ready. Okay, so if you press start now, the server will begin, and make sure the version you are using is the latest version of the game. If it is not the latest version, it will not work. Now I'm going to press start, and you can see in the game, if you go to multiplayer, choose the server name which I have given. So I'm going to write the server name, which is Paribhuter. Then I'm going to write the server address as well. Let me check the server address. Okay, I have done a mistake. Aternos. It seems everything is okay. Okay, now press done, and here you go. You can see the server currently is showing offline because maybe I haven't started it well. Okay, let's press start. You can see it is starting, and the server is started. Now you can go to the game. You will find it. The server is ready. Just refresh it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like it.